going. They're flying. Over there, left side. 6 o'clock, no, 7 o'clock. 7. It's a little bit walking. We're gonna go into the jungle. So I'm gonna explain you a little more in a few more seconds.
Standing by the foot of the driveway, all the stars shining brightly, trying to talk so quietly so they won't wake her family. Through the town they've been walking all evening, they've been talking. He says, you know, I've been thinking, would you do one thing for me? Just one kiss, that's all I'm asking for. Just one kiss, I won't ask for more. Just one kiss. All the streets are dark and empty, his heart's beating fast and steady. She says, you know, I'm not ready to play around with anyone. He hears all the words she's saying, folds his hands like he's praying, says, you know, I'm not playing, it's all I really want. Just one kiss, that's all I'm asking for. Just one kiss, I won't ask for more. Just one kiss. And tell me, how can good night last an hour? Good night and good night again. And if he had his way about it, good night would never end. Then he walks her to the entrance. She takes her keys out in the silence, says it was never my intention to stay so late with you.
Charlie!
Charlie
El burro!
Hey, how are you, Pedro?
Hey.
She says yes, and since you're leaving, there's one more thing you can do.